Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Hacker YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. I create videos about cool apps and software so you can be more productive. Also visit my website mrhack.io and become a member there or check out my podcast. So let's dive into this quick overview of Adidas confirmed app. So why this app is surging in charts? So you can see here it's in top 3 apps among shopping, just following Amazon and Shein apps. Um, yeah, basically the idea of this app is that you can get unique exclusive sneakers and other Adidas products via this app. So there is a separate Adidas app where you can just buy all the hoodies, t-shirts, regular sneakers. But here via Adidas Confirmed, you can get some exclusive products where there are some like exclusive partnerships, some super cool sneakers, maybe designed by some influencers, designed in collaboration with cool brands and all of that. And the best thing about this app is that you can see one specific model of the sneaker will be released, and you can create an account and set up a reminder, which will be basically an iOS notification on your phone. And then you just like remind that the moment the sneakers are released and available in the store, you get a reminder and you can buy them ASAP. But you should be super quick. So let's just dive into the app. So this is how it looks like. So you can see all the like different models. You just go to shop. Yeah, it depends like where you are located, so you can just change the country to United States, Canada, European countries, whatever. And for example, I like these sneakers, so I just tap on them, and sometimes I can just buy them right now, and I can just go through the size. I can access the size guide just to see which different sizes are in different parts of the world. And there you have it. But then there is a soon tab. So this is where all the cool sneakers are. So for example, I like this or this. And then you can just tap on them. And then I just need to set a reminder. So I can see that the release date is like April 28th, for example, 4 p.m. GMT +2. And then I can just see all the different models, different views. Seem like a really cool sneakers. And then I can just set reminder. And then I can, of course, I need to go to phone settings and make sure that notifications are enabled here. So there you have it. And yeah, that's basically the thing about this app. Again, like a lot of people are writing in reviews to this app that even if you are subscribed to these notifications and you are late like just 3 minutes, the item will be sold out if it's a really cool sneaker pair. So the moment you get notification, you need to be ready to go to the app and buy it instantly if you want to get that model. So that's how it works. It's also the same issue in like Nike sneakers app and in other similar apps where they have these exclusive products. So yeah, then you can see your history, your orders history. Then there is like a creator club. And then you can just earn points and unlock the next level. So they're like level 1 challenger, level 2 playmaker, game changer, or icon. So that's that. Then there are like settings. You can edit your personal information, payment methods. You can just add them, and you can just choose to save your payment details next time you check out. Then there is country and language. You can manage your account. So to create an account, you can do that with Apple, Google, Facebook, or email. For me, there were some bugs. I couldn't create it for the first time, but anyways. Then there is like manage account. You can go to the bottom and then delete your account if you don't like to have your personal data here. So there you have it. Basically, that's the app. There are really some cool products and some collections in collaboration with different brands, as you can see here. For example, Adidas Original and Human Made. So that's the feature of this app, in that it has some models which are created in collaboration with other brands. And you can just buy all of that. So there you have it. If you want some help or support, you can just tap here in General Help. Then you can just select your country. And then then you will be just redirected to the website, and then you can just ask for help there. So that's how it works. Hope it was helpful, guys. Please like this video if it was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, visit my website mrhack.io, check out my podcast. See you in the next videos.